with Mermal Magic Hatchimals collectibles. Hatch 'em. Let's hatch 'em. I've never seen these ones before. Look at them. They're seriously sparkly and purple. Let's start heating them up. Now let's look. Whoa, there's 1,000,000 of them to collect. Okay, I wonder which one we're gonna get. Whoa, that was quick. Whoa. And then we can unbox the other one. Oh, baby shark, do. Looks a little bit like a shark. I think it's a hammerhead shark. Oh, look at those sparkly wings. Okay, let's take a look and figure out which one we have. Okay. Where are you, hammerhead? Here it is. Hammer heart. And it has silver wings. Let's see what silver wings mean. It's a common. Oh, it's so cute. Okay. Now let's heat up this one. Look, I have so much sparkles all over my hands. I'm gonna be glittery for so long. Okay, let's see here. Seeing his head. He's being born today. Happy birthday. Okay, let's come on out of your shell or your egg. Oh, those sparkly wings. It's like a little mermaid. So cute. Okay, let's go take a look and figure out which one we have. Okay. Is this it? Yes. So that is Murdiraloo. Murdiraloo. She says I'm coming too. She's so cute. Well, if you like this video, down below, you're welcome to like it. Subscribe to my channel. Become a member of the Sorella family where you can see more crazy and silly things my elves on the shelf do. Well, as always, I love my elves on the shelf. Thanks so much for watching.